friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Has Plans. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my latest sticker order from Planner Kate and Nicole Hutch Designs. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so I just had another sort of like mini sticker order come through that I filmed. And so here's another one. I'm just kind of rounding out the rest of the kits that I need for October and November. So I have an order from Nicole Hutch Designs and from Planner Kate. So let's go ahead. I'm going to crack open into these. I'm going to start with Nicole Hutch Designs and I'll share with you what I got. Okay, so here we are starting with her business card. I just love her pink swatch there and her logo. She has a code THANKS10 for 10% off your next purchase. And then we've got a freebie here. This is so cute. There's a flat lay here. Oh, I like the happy birthday. Oh, I'm always in need of those. And then some balloons and a gift. So that's sweet. And then whatever makes you happy, do that. Oh, I love it. Just a kind of a little card. I love her little cards. This is just like a piece of black matting. This would look so cute framed, wouldn't it? Okay, so let's go ahead and look through here and we'll start with this one and I'll show you what I have. Okay, so this is kit CO235 and it is called it's the Gemma collection. Look at how beautiful the fall colors are in this. Okay, so I have here the full boxes. Fall is my favorite color. Cute little quote. I just love this floral here. I just thought the colors were so beautiful. And then we've got sort of like a sampler script page with the days of the week here. And then the dates here, the date dots are there. A bunch of little check boxes. These are so cute. And then 3 little habit trackers, a weekend banner, some little dots here. Oh, the paw. Look at the vacuum. I love it. That is so cute. Alrighty, we've got some decorative and functional boxes here. Half and quarters. Washi, a really nice wide washi here and a couple of thin pieces. And then I also ordered the glitter headers. I thought just because I thought like I needed a couple more pieces of washi, and so instead of ordering more washi sheets, I thought I would just get the glitter headers. I thought these were really cute. Okay, so that again was the Gemma collection and that's $2.35. And then I also have here, this is MK0112, and then this is the Quinn collection. And so this is an Erin Condren monthly. So I was going to use this for my social media planner. And when you order from Nicole Hutch Designs, you always get both headers for the monthly, the Monday start and the Sunday start. I'm a Sunday start person, so it's always kind of nice just to have the extra. And then this is the main sheet here, again, with the monthly header, date dots, and a bunch of little flags for payday, day off, sick day, appointment. That's great. And then this is the second sheet. So you've got the sidebar here, and then a bunch of bill due, and then some functional boxes, a couple more flags. Oh, I like the happy birthday flag. So cute. And then vacation time. And then we've got all kinds of extras here with these little icons. Cute. Oh, and another paw print. The tooth is funny. Oh, I like this little asterisk. That's cute. And the big @ That's so cute. And then to go along with it, I also bought this sheet, which is sort of the dashboard pages because I wanted the extra washi here. Look at how pretty that pattern is. I just love it. And then all of the scripts are nice and check boxes and those kinds of things. I don't need this big habit tracker here, but I did want the extra washi. So I did order that. And then I loved this kit so much, I did order the weekly kit. So again, with her weekly kits, you get the full boxes. Look, hello, pumpkin. Isn't this beautiful? It's so pretty. I love this pattern. And then again, all of the scripts, the date headers, check boxes, habit trackers, the weekend banner, and then the half and quarter boxes, both functional and decorative. And then this one has all of these ombre checklists. This is so cool. So I will use these to probably cut them down. And then glitter headers. We've got all kinds of functional boxes here like meal planning, to-dos, important reminders, all kinds of different headers here. And then the washi. I love this, love this. It's so cute. And then the plaid, so pretty. And then of course, these are just the date dots. Okay, so that's my order from Nicole Hutch Designs. And then let's pull out what I ordered here from Planner Kate. Again, just kind of rounding out some of the kits that I need for October and November. Okay, so starting with her business card, of course. Beautiful. And then she has PKLove20 as her 20% off discount code. And then let's go through these little freebies. Oh, how cute. Just a little logo sticker. That's sweet. I love all these stars and hearts. I just ordered some cute hearts from Saya if you watched my last sticker haul video. These are cute too. Scripts. I love these. Clean house day off. Some basics. Sick day this week. Always good to have freebies of those. Some striped functionals. Oh, cute little doodle girls. We've got some basic weather icons. This is great. I like putting these on when it's like all of a sudden we get rain or we get a triple-digit heat week. And then let's see. Oh, some check boxes here with order groceries, pick up groceries, those kinds of things. Some basic little checklist items. So cute. Okay, this quote sheet, I am so loving this right now. I don't know if you've seen in the last couple of my videos, I've been talking about how much I've been working lately. It says, I'm already tired tomorrow. This is how I'm living. I thought this was so cute. I couldn't pass it up. So I'm going to be using those quotes. And then I have kit 450. And this is an plum paper monthly that I'm going to use for November, obviously, because it says November here. And this is called Harvest. I just thought, again, this pattern, look at how beautiful that is. It's kind of like a watercolor print. I just thought the colors were so pretty. And I loved this dark polka dotted washi. So all of the scripts, functional boxes, appointment labels, and then look at this cute gingham. The bottom washi, this is sheet 2. Cute little stars and hearts. Lots and lots of functional labels. I love the way her monthlies are formatted for plum paper. I did buy the washi because I will probably use this for my Clean Mama. What I've kind of been getting into the habit of is whatever kit I use for my monthly spread, I buy extra washi and do that for my Clean Mama. And this was just so cute, right? Like, why wouldn't I want this for my Clean Mama spread? So there's that. And then, of course, this is the highlights page for Plum with the circles. This tracker I don't use, but I do love all of the scripts that you get. Okay, and then this is my October kit, kit 446, and it is called Pretty Pumpkins. Again, look at the beautiful colors. I just love that watercolor printed look. So functional the way these are laid out. I just love it. And then this is sheet 2, sidebar, bottom washi, icons here, a couple thin strips here. And then again, I bought the washi because like I just said, I'll be using this for my Clean Mama for the month of October. And then, of course, the highlights page, the circles, the washi here, lots of scripts. Alrighty, friends. So like I said, just some quick little mini hauls that I've been doing. I'm going to put everything back out here on display so we can take one last look. Alrighty, friends. So hopefully you can kind of see a little bit of everything displayed here. Beautiful colors for my monthly kits for October and November. I'm super excited and ready to start planning. All right, friends, I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.